Welcome to Feature Friday, where we explore the cool functions of our Roof Wizard software. A couple of comments recently on the support line related to the size of our standard CAD templates, the sheet sizes indeed. Some people had templates designed for Foolscap size, but they really wanted to print to their printer in letter size, or they wanted to use A4 instead of A3, or vice versa. It's a simple process of simply creating the size of the sheet that suits the printer. Let's take the example where our template has been designed for Foolscap and we wish to change the size so it fits our letter size printer. CAD templates are saved in a file called as a subfigure, subfigure open in a file called roofwiz.dab. So we'll do a search for roofwiz. There he is, roofwiz.dab, and there's all our templates. I might have more than you, but don't worry too much. And let's take, for example, a drawing that we use that we know is in Foolscap size, the 3D image. So there it is. That's the report that creates a isometric view of your roof. First thing, to make it easy, this little L-shaped thingy in the middle of the screen is the showing the center of the universe, and it makes it a lot easier if that indicator is down the bottom left corner. That's called our construction plane icon, or CPL. So we go to CAD, edit CPL, change, and we'll change the origin from where it is, and middle button snap it to the corner down the bottom left there. You'll see why in a minute. So this sheet is not a letter size. We want to make it letter size. First thing we want to do is, to make this whole process easier, is to create a rectangle that represents the sheet that we want to work on. So we'll draw a sheet the size of our letter. So snap that corner there, and we want to come up here, and how big is it? Well, we can type directly in the prompt area the size of the sheet. So incrementally from our origin, we're going to type in 11 inches, comma 8.5 inches, and enter. And now we have a rectangle the size of our letter size sheet. So what we have to do is rejig all the information that's contained in this page so that it fits our sheet. The best way to do that is to use the modroof stretch group stretch function. So if we hit OK on that and we draw a rectangle, and don't get the sheet, otherwise it'll go with you. Get just the top of all the information that's in the top of our page, and we're going to go from that corner and stretch it up to there. So let's move that. No, I didn't. Let's do that again. Sorry. User error. Right click. Do you want to use those? Yes. Initial point will be middle button snap there, and final point will be middle button snap there. There we go. That's better. And we want to do the same on the right hand end. So we grab everything on the right hand end. Don't want the sheet. We just want the end of the part that's incorrect. Middle button snap there. Middle button snap there, and now everything on our template is the size of a letter size page. So it was too big for our sheet, and when we printed it got chopped off. So now when it creates the report and puts our roof image into the sheet, it will be the right size and will not be chopped off. So hopefully that helps. Explore the options. You can make them bigger or smaller or shorter or longer, suiting the page of the report that you're producing. So once you've created the template to suit your printer, you go File, Save, and we're set to go. So any other questions, give us a call at any time or drop us a line on the email. And that's it for Feature Friday for this week. Take care, have a great weekend, and we'll see you next time on Feature Friday.